Greetings, pilots of the future! Does the amount of study materials required while preparing for your pilot certificate seem a bit overwhelming at times? Are you having trouble understanding your TAFs and METARs? Let's turn onto a heading that reveals how generative AI tools like ChatGPT can make your path to piloting a lot smoother. From mastering aerodynamics to acing your navigation exams, AI is here to help you soar through your studies. You can ask ChatGPT or make your own GPT, as I have done. It's called Aviation Mentor, and there's a link to it below this video. But if you don't want to make your own GPT, then you just ask your questions using prompts. So trim your aircraft to cruise at this altitude and follow me through these examples. Harnessing AI for aerodynamics. Understanding aerodynamics is essential for any pilot, but the concepts can be quite complex for newcomers. With AI, you can break down these complicated topics into more digestible chunks. Let's see an example prompt. Prompt: explain the 4 forces of flight in simple terms suitable for a student pilot. Example response: sure. The 4 forces of flight are lift, weight, thrust and drag. Lift is the upward force that counters weight, which is the force of gravity pulling the aircraft down. Thrust is the forward force produced by the plane's engine, and drag is the resistance the plane encounters as it moves through the air. Using prompts like this, ChatGPT can help you understand the basics. Then you can ask more intricate details as you progress. Mastering meteorology. Weather is predictable, but the actual weather conditions are rarely a certainty. So understanding the fundamentals of meteorology will build confidence and decision-making. AI tools can simplify complex weather patterns and phenomena. Try this. Prompt: describe how a cold front affects flight conditions and what a pilot should be aware of. Example response: a cold front is the boundary where a cold air mass replaces a warmer air mass. As the cold front passes, you can expect sudden weather changes such as thunderstorms, turbulence and heavy rain. Pilots should be cautious of reduced visibility and potential wind shear, which can make takeoffs and landings challenging. By using AI to explain weather concepts, you can better prepare for real-world scenarios. Navigating the skies. Navigation is, of course, another essential skill for pilots. From understanding sectional charts to using GPS, there's a lot to learn. There's a fine line between being temporarily unaware of one's position to being fully lost. Here's how AI can assist. Prompt: how do you read a VFR sectional chart? Example response: a VFR sectional chart provides detailed information about terrain, airspace and navigational aids. Start by familiarizing yourself with the legend, which explains symbols and markings. Look for airports, nav aids and obstructions. Use latitude and longitude lines to determine your position and planned route. With clear and concise explanations, ChatGPT can help you navigate through your studies and eventually the skies. Passing your tests or exams. Generative AI can turn your studying into an interactive experience. You can ask ChatGPT to give you sample questions and multiple choice answers, with explanations for the right answer and why all the wrong answers are incorrect. Use ChatGPT as your personal flashcard creator. Let's see an example. Prompt: create a practice question for the private pilot written exam and provide the answer. Example response: sure. Question: what is the purpose of the mixture control on the aircraft engine? A. To regulate the amount of fuel in the fuel-air mixture. B. To control the engine speed. C. To regulate the oil pressure. D. To control the temperature of the exhaust gases. Answer: A. To regulate the amount of fuel in the fuel-air mixture. By generating practice questions, ChatGPT can help you test your knowledge and build confidence for the actual exam. In-flight decision making. One of the most important skills a student pilot can develop is the skill of making informed decisions quickly. AI can help simulate various scenarios to enhance your decision-making skills. Prompt: what should a pilot do if they encounter unexpected, severe turbulence during flight? Example response: if a pilot encounters severe turbulence, they should maintain a level flight attitude rather than trying to hold altitude. Slow down to the recommended turbulence penetration speed and avoid making sudden control inputs. It's also important to inform ATC and passengers about the situation. Practicing these scenarios with AI can prepare you for unexpected events, ensuring you stay calm and collected in the cockpit. Conclusion: generative AI tools like ChatGPT are revolutionizing the way student pilots study and prepare for their certifications. By providing clear explanations, creating practice questions, and simulating real-world scenarios, AI can make your journey to becoming a pilot more efficient and enjoyable. So the next time you're overwhelmed by study materials, remember that AI is here to help you soar. Happy flying!